Hey my dear audience, welcome back to Loyal Gains. Today I'm super excited to share with you the best nutrition guide for beginner gym goers at breakfast. If you've just started hitting the gym and you're wondering what to eat to fuel your workouts, this video is perfect for you. So let's dive right in. First things first. Protein is essential for all gym goers, especially beginners. But how much protein do you actually need at breakfast? Ideally, you should aim for a maximum of 30 grams of protein in the morning. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy, delicious, and healthy breakfast ideas that will help you hit your protein goals. Let's get started. Let's start with a yummy and high-protein smoothie. Smoothies are not only tasty but also super healthy if prepared the right way. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of oat bran, 1 cup of milk, some chia seeds, a few raisins, 1 teaspoon of honey, and banana slices. Simply blend all these ingredients together and there you have a smoothie that gives you around 20 grams of protein. Start your breakfast with this smoothie. Trust me, it's not only healthy but also delicious. Oh, and one tip, always use branded high-quality ingredients for your meals. As a gym goer, you need the best fuel for your body. Next up, let's talk about eggs, the ultimate breakfast staple for gym lovers. Did you know that every egg with the yolk contains 6.3 grams of protein? If you don't want to eat the yolk, the egg white alone provides about 3.6 grams of protein. For your breakfast, I recommend eating 4 boiled eggs. That's a total of 14.4 grams of protein. If you combine this with the smoothie, you've already hit your protein target for the morning. Eggs are easy to prepare, versatile, and perfect for your gym diet. Now let's move on to bananas. These are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including potassium, vitamin B6, fiber, vitamin C, and magnesium. Bananas are fantastic for breakfast and can help keep you energized throughout the day. You can eat 4 bananas every morning or adjust the quantity based on your preference. Pair them with other items like bread or peanut butter for an even more nutritious meal. Bread can also be a great addition to your breakfast. I recommend whole grain bread, it's much healthier. You can pair it with peanut butter, bananas, eggs, or even honey and milk. Just stick to 2 slices and you're good to go. This is another simple but effective way to fuel your morning. Now let's talk about chickpeas. These are one of the best foods for gym lovers. Did you know that just 100 grams of chickpeas provide 19 grams of protein, along with tons of other nutrients like potassium, fiber, and magnesium? Chickpeas are great for digestion, strengthen your bones, and even boost your endurance. They're perfect for athletes and anyone looking to improve their performance. You can eat them at breakfast or any other time during the day. Try them, you won't regret it. And finally, don't forget about water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your body, especially when you're working out. During exercise, we lose a lot of water through sweat, so it's essential to replenish it. Drinking water at breakfast is particularly beneficial and helps you start the day right. So, there you have it, my complete breakfast guide for beginner gym goers. Everything I've shared here is tried and tested by me. I personally eat these foods every morning and I recommend them to all my friends and gym partners. If these items feel like too much for one breakfast, you can start with the smoothie, eggs, and bananas. Those alone will cover your protein needs. Let me know in the comments if you'll try these, and feel free to share your favorite breakfast ideas too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and nutrition guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.